I was thinking about something one of you guys asked about in the comments a few days ago. I think it's a question many of us have, and we don't say it out loud. But like, why does my sperm volume seem much lower now than it used to be? I mean, I've noticed it. Have you? Have you noticed it? Let's talk about it. And as we get older, as we age a little bit, right? Our bodies start to change, and one of the key players is your prostate gland. It's a little gland, sits right just below your bladder, and it kind of wraps around your urethra. Think of a little small, like a little balloon, a walnut size. And the urethra is the tube that carries both your urine and your semen. Okay, so they both travel that same tube. And as you get older, you hit 40, especially hit 40 and older, most oftentimes the prostate starts swelling. This is called BPH. Look that up, right? And as it starts to get bigger, it puts pressure on this urethra. It's pressure. Imagine stepping on a garden hose. Less force, you're gonna have less flow as a result. And then it's not just your prostate, right? Then you have your seminal vesicles, your testicles, which make most of your semen. Now that also slows down because your testosterone has dropped, right? So those two things work together, and you have probably less sperm production. And you're going to have, from sitting your whole life, you're going to have weaker muscle contraction as well in your pelvic area. When it's time to splash off, you have less force and contraction force. You have less expulsion force. But, there's a few things you can do naturally, of course. I'm here to tell you what that is. A few things you can naturally do to support your prostate health, which starts with food. First you got herbs. You got pygeum, salt palmetto herb, stinging nettle. And you have minerals like your boy zinc picolinate, magnesium. Try to get some magnesium complex in your life, and some boron. Oysters, food, stretching. You got to get squats, deep squats, and breathe. You have to change that whole environment down in your pelvic area. I mean, I've lived it. I'm still living it. I'm here to just kind of pass this on to you. Let's get healthy.